This is the YETI Crossroads 29-inch luggage.
Built to weather the world.
It also comes in a 22-inch size for carry-on compatibility. This luggage just got back from an awesome weekend in the mountains. Let's unpack it. The durable materials package on this luggage features our tough skin nylon and a molded PC shell. Both materials are extremely abrasion and water resistant. And these materials are really easy to clean. All you have to use is soap and water. These reinforced grab handles make it easy to lift and move the bag. Of course, the baggage handlers are going to throw it around. This bag is up to the task. These rugged wheels are not only durable, but they're also fully serviceable. And with the telescoping handle, lugging luggage has never been easier. And the bag's large clamshell opening means getting to your gear is super easy. You can get dressed, ready, and on the first chair up the mountain. On the divider panel, you have 2 additional mesh pockets. The inside of this bag has great organization. Under the divider panel is the main cargo space, with removable compression straps that can be used either inside the bag or on the outside. Safety first, here's your helmet. Bundle up with your long johns. Some good outerwear here, and even a couple pairs of trusty ski socks. The 29-inch luggage comes with a small and a medium packing cube. Here's your medium, and here's a small. The 22-inch luggage comes with just a small, and a large is also available for purchase. On the outside of the bag, we have a convenient quick grab loft-style pocket. Small items are easy to grab here, quickly organized, like headphones and your lift pass. And on the outside is the vertical stash pocket for things you want to grab quick and easy, like magazines, itineraries, and maps. Whether it's a powder-filled week in the mountains or a week away at the beach, the YETI Crossroads luggage is ready for your next adventure.
Hi, I'm Devin with Osprey, and I'm here to show you the updated Daylite wheeled duffels. Whether you're getting away for the weekend or setting off on an extended road trip, these versatile travel pieces are made for life on the go. The Daylite wheeled duffel comes in 3 volumes, 40 liter, 85 liter, and for those trips that require lots of gear, the new 115 liter. The 40 liter size is a globally accepted carry-on size, but always check with your airline. The 40 liter and 85 liter both include stowable backpack straps for easy carry. These conveniently detach when you don't need them. They also have 3-inch inline skate wheels to move effortlessly on smoother surfaces. Now that I've shown you how easy it is to roll with the Daylite wheeled duffel, let's delve into the features that make these great travel bags. All the volumes are built with our patented collapsible design. The 2-wheel system with protective rails and fabric kick plate. 2 exterior pockets, a convenient top pocket for toiletry bag and full-length side pocket for last-minute stash items. Top and bottom grab handles. Lockable reverse zippers. A secure ID pocket. Internal tie-down straps. And an aluminum retractable, patented buttonless trolley handle grip. You can also use the outside gear loops to attach any Daylite day pack with upper compression straps. Travel light on your footprint, not your adventure. The Daylite wheeled duffel prioritizes sustainability without sacrificing performance. These pieces are made with Blue Sign approved materials and treated with DWR, made without PFAS. The Daylite travel family is designed to keep up with every mile of your journey without the extra bulk, so you can travel with ease.